Ka Saint Joseph Academy of Nursing kalapanha perdano ya ka taiew lehkmen jong kinos, shibenta ka jingrakhe yak International Nurses Day ha ka khatway tarik jembang ha umtro Ribhoy District. Ka phang pedeng jong kanika program kalong halor kaman, Our Nurses Our Future, The Economic Power of Care, ya kanika taiew lehkmen larakhe lingba ka jingpenlong ya ki program baper. Ha kanika singipan ha perda, layadon lang ru kakong Ivory Khardun, Assistant Director Nursing Directorate of Health Service MI, kum kakong san, bat kakong Carrie Lingdo, Nursing Superintendent Sankir Shillong kum kasembut kong san, ha ka jingdan lang kakong Iban Rilin Rani, Principal St. Joseph Academy of Nursing, bat kakong Jolene, Vice Principal St. Joseph School of Nursing. Habakran ha ka jingalang kum kakong san, kakong Ivory kalapan pa bakinos kidey kabenta kabakong santam ha kaliang kilat ajing sumar. Kalaong ru bamenta ngiladon kam palat yakinos ha kilat ajing sumar amtang hapok ki hospital, Henry ru wat hapok ka imlang kasalang.
The unsung heroes of our healthcare system. The theme of this year's International Nurses Day, Our Nurses Our Future, the economic power of care. It resonates deeply with the profound impact nurses have on both our present and our future. And I would like to thank Ms. Ivan for highlighting us on the theme of this year's Nurses Day. And all of us know that nurses are the heart and soul of healthcare. The heart and soul of healthcare. They work tirelessly, often under challenging circumstances, to ensure the well-being and comfort of our patients. Their dedication, compassion, and expertise makes a difference in the countless of lives in every single day. I would like to repeat, not their dedication, our dedication, because all of us here are nurses, our dedication, compassion and expertise. What is the meaning of expertise? That means we are experts in our own field. Each of these men, we make a countless difference in the number of lives that we meet every day. But in the present day scenario, we find that the role of nurses extends far beyond the bedside. We are the essential drivers of economic growth and stability. The economic power of care cannot be overstated. By providing high quality care, nurses contribute to improved health outcomes, which in turn leads to increased productivity and reduced healthcare costs. Moreover, our nursing profession itself generates significant economic activity from education and training to research and also to innovation. Furthermore, recognizing the economic value of care means valuing the predominantly workforce that makes up the majority of the healthcare team. Investing in nursing is investing in our future. Why do we say that investing in nursing is investing in our future? As Madam Carrie has already spoken, that today we are very, very much in need, or we all need nurses in every healthcare settings, not only in the hospitals or in the bedside, but even in the communities. We have faced unprecedented challenges across the different healthcare settings, and here we have in our scenario today, we have many aging populations, we have pandemics, we have healthcare disparities, and the demand for these skilled nurses will only continue to grow. By supporting the nursing education and providing competitive salaries and benefits and creating conducive work environments, we can ensure a robust pipeline of nursing talent for generations to come. We are responsible for the well-being of our patients right from the time we step establishment till they move out of the medical establishment or of the hospital. Nursing is one of the most physically and emotionally demanding careers. Nurses work in very high stress environments, dealing with life and death cases every day. The profession of nurses require a lot of devotion and service attitude. A nurse often goes beyond the formal duties in the care of patients.
Other skills, the professional skills that you as a nurse were supposed to do, but you also carry other skills like communication. Communication is one of the important skills that you need to have. Nowadays we don't communicate anymore, we don't talk anymore. Even in the family, with your family, with your loved ones, with your siblings, the communication is not very, some of the houses might have that communication problem. Okay, so we need to start communicating with each other, because we used to say, oh, I want to be a nurse because I want to help them with my words, but you have to remember that you have to understand where you are also. Okay, and empathy is very important.